Hey everybody, it's me, Max Firo from DexFXMarkets.com. And in this video, I want to quickly run through some of the updates that we've done to the website and things that are coming on board right now as we speak. And we're very, very excited about this entire process. Some of you already know about us. Some of you know that we've been out in business for about 6 years, starting way back when we had Nadex Signals. We progressed to Dex Trader, and now we're DexFX Markets. Still the same company, still the same process, but we've changed our mentality to make it fully inclusive. And why is it so exciting? Well, because most of you know that we had our daily signals, which have been firing off for about 7 years, our Nadex Extreme spread signals, our intradays, our SR maxes, and even our 5-minute signals that were put onto a chart to give you some arrows and things to really follow with. These are all very successful, and they've worked for hundreds of people within our network. But what we did here just recently, as we were putting together some strategy testing platforms, an automation series for Nadex. Yeah, I did say automation trading for Nadex, which is coming out soon. But while we were doing that, we had to kind of switch some of our TNT mentality. Our TNT system is very, very strong. And if you've ever seen our TNT charts, we coupled with our friends over at TradingView, and we made our charts here very proprietary to our system. We were able to put our support and resistant area bars and lines on, as well as some other programs, the simple SMA and these arrows are all from our proprietary system, which is our MDM 5-minute system, and our TNT strategy, which means that you wait for a trend, you wait for some negation, and you then begin to trade the TNT. That's what that stands for. Well, about 8 weeks ago, as we were strategy testing some of our stuff, we wanted to have the availability to take our arrows and put them into a signal, what we call the golden signal. So we were trying to make it to where we would send out a signal on the perfect signal side. And guess what? We found a particular strategy that worked even better than this TNT. That's right. So what we did is that we decided that we would take the same 1 hour and 2 hour signals and put them into spreadsheets that fire off for your convenience. That's right. And that's what you see here. This is one of our TNT 1 hour signal systems. Now, just like our daily signals, it comes with its own spreadsheet, with its own success rates. And if we scroll down, you'll see what we call our data processing center. And this will have all the other great information on board. It'll tell you what pairs are vibrating at what level, whether it be through the lifetime, through the year, through the month, through the week. And as we progress down, the longer and the more aged these signals become, the more data we get. And that's where the true success comes from. Now, we just didn't stop at the 1 hour signals. We also built a 2 hour strategy. That's right. Nadex has a 1 and 2 hour intraday, basically like a 2 hour, but you can make it stop halfway or at the expiry of it. So we're very excited about this. Our 2 hour strategy works better than anything else I've ever seen with the consistency value. But I'm slowly beginning to see that we have other things that work very well as well, which you'll see here in a second. Again, it too comes with its proprietary system of spreadsheet and its data processing center. This information is golden because you can rely on the trade systems that happen. That's what's so exciting about this. Lastly, we've also developed from our 5-minute trading charts to also 5-minute signals. Now, this one's a little bit crazier than the other two because there's a lot of stuff that happens. I mean, a lot. There's a lot of physical trades that are happening. 94% success rate. It's been running for about 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see exactly how many days it's been running on. And this will have what we call the statistical data. And we'll keep this running for a very long time. But you also see how it's been running overall with these columns as well, from the day, the week, the month, the year, and lifetime. You could then choose and pick only the signals that vibrated the best and get them filled. Now, not all of these are trades. These are mostly all just signals, but a very large percent of them fill on the system to become trades. Now, why is this so exciting? Well, just recently, we've been putting together our system of automated trading for Nadex, and coming out September 15th, between September 15th and September 20th, we're firing off what we call our ZDON bot, which is being able to trade on Nadex those signals that we just showed you automated. Yeah. And as these people in here are in testing the automation series, you can easily see what kind of success rates we're having. I'm trading the 1 and 2 hour systems. We just had a pretty big hit here. Remember, this is about transparency, and we were trading it through the news. This is what we call our control. So there'll be times that we're not trading through news. Okay? We can go down to people like my brother Brian. He's in there trading. Now, he's doing it automated as well. Now, there is somebody that's trading the signals just by manually trading them. And this is the 1 hour trade system from James L. And James L is in trading this process, practicing. You can see just from the 8th, from September 8th to the 11th, $518 trading it one contract at a time. I want you to notice, this one has 2 on it, but we won't shame him for that, too bad. But for the majority of them are 1 contract. Here's one with 5 contracts. Looks like he got in pretty good. But he's learning the process in here on what numbers to choose as he's hand doing these. These are not being done by manual trading. So or by automation trading. This is manual trading only. So we're very excited about this process. So if you are somebody who trades 5 minutes or 1 hour on Nadex, and you're looking for a system, this is it. Come on board. Get into our network. We have plenty of other things available for you, from consults to chat rooms to everything you need for help learning these processes. And if you don't even know what Nadex is and you want to make some residual income from what you're doing, then please write us, get on board, click the link in the description, and we'll get you started. I'm Max Farrow. This is DexFXMarkets.com. I look forward to seeing you inside. And as always, trade well.